Oliver Ford's mobile tech service with Alfonso Rosas.
Hi, Tiffany.
Yes.
Hey, I'm Alfonso from Oliver Ford. Do your mobile repair. So it'll take like 15 minutes. You have your keys with you?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
While inspecting the vehicle, Alfonso spots a dirty filter.
Hey, Tiffany. While I was here, I went ahead and checked your air filter. And as you can see from what a good one looks like, you want it changed while I'm here?
Yeah, please.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Yep.
After confirmation, Alfonso replaces the dirty filter with a clean one.
Hey, Tiffany. Get your keys back. Your vehicle's all set. So I just need a signature from you.
Okay. There you go.
And you're all done.
Great.
All right, have a good day. See ya.
Oliver Ford's mobile tech service is available 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., Monday through Friday. Call today, and remember, we tip our hat to you.